everyone, my name is Ayu Rezky Yulita. I am from Department of Physics Education, Universitas Negeri Jakarta, and this video I want to show you about the research and the title of e-learning development for LMS Jamilo based flipped classroom in improving digital literacy of physics students on the course of web. Okay, let's go to this presentation. Table of content, introduction, methods, result and discussion, and conclusion. The first, introduction. The characteristic of 21st century learning are the use of ICT, information and communication technology. Currently, the coronavirus disease or COVID-19 outbreak that hit many countries across the world has impacted the way education institutions in serving the learning process. The Bureau of Cooperation and Public Relations of the Ministry of Education and Culture emphasizes that the Ministry of Education and Culture has recommended all university and higher education institutions in Indonesia to implement online learning. Therefore, educational institutions need to innovate in the learning process, such as using in a learning system. What is e-learning? E-learning is a learning system that is integrated among all electronic media, such as web pages or computer devices via the internet, to deliver teaching material to students in an effort to enable the teaching learning process and improve the performance. The advantages of e-learning compared to other learning media include flexibility, internet accessibility, cost effectiveness, more interactive presentations of material, real-time lecture information. Like the communication process, although not face-to-face, feature discussion forum can be done online and real-time. The e-learning system has no access restriction. It will allow lecture to be done in more time, anytime and anywhere, as long as there is an internet connection. Every student can access this system. To make e-learning require learning management system or LMS. Jamilo is one LMS. The advantages Jamilo are open source. It means a software system that allow user to create and will and can be modified. 2. Multiple visual support. This means teaching materials, lecture assessment, online discussion, instructional video, even interactive video conference. 3. More responsive. It means can customize any screen size devices such as handphone, tablet, or iPad, laptop. Integrate with other learning applications like Hot Potatoes, Moodles, and so on. E-learning for LMS Jamilo based flipped classroom. What is flipped classroom? Students learn the course and doing the assessment at home through the LMS before starting the actual class time. Face-to-face learning sessions are more student-centered to us to provide a unique learning experience in collaborative activities, discussion, group work, and problem solving. In flipped classroom, the teacher's roles can be transferred as a quiet and facilitator. Suitable topic in physics, the course of wave. Why? Wave subject was chosen because it is one of the abstract material in basic physics, which means it is difficult to observe with the naked eyes and difficult to visualize, particularly describing the wave equation and properties of wave. Hence, to answer all these challenges, e-learning media is needed for the LMS Jamilo based flipped classroom to improve digital literacy of physics students on web material. 2. Methods. This is research and development studies or R&D. The purpose of this research is to product e-learning for flipped classroom based on LMS Jamilo in improving digital literacy of physics students. The subjects were 23 students of third semester physics. This study used a qualitative descriptive data analysis study with one variable. Next, LMS Jamilo-based e-learning workflow with the learning path feature. First, buy and subscribe the hosting and domain, and get link, design a homepage, create a course, create instruction for using Jamilo e-learning, make material in digital format including text, image, video, animation, and etc. In the web course, use the learning path feature to systematically input all learning activities on one data analysis technique. E-learning is implemented for 23 physics students that are taking basic physics course. The question contains two categories. The media consists of 14 questions in three aspects: e-learning display, e-learning content, and language. The digital literacy level consists of 12 questions in three elements: use skill, critical understanding, and communicative abilities. Data analysis technique using 5 scale with a Likert scale. Interpretation of results Likert scale can be seen on this slide. 3. Result and discussion. This is design e-learning for the flipped classroom based LMS Jamilo. Figure A, homepage display. Figure B, future display in each course. Next, this is design learning on the Jamilo with learning paths. There are material, quiz, video, animation, and etc. Implementation of results. The results of the question answered by 23 students. From these results, the three aspects after the use of e-learning, e-learning display, e-learning contents, and language considered to be in the very good quality categories. While three aspects of the digital literacy elements, use skill, critical understanding, and communicative abilities of student measure are in the good quality category. In conclusion, the development of e-learning for LMS Jamilo-based flipped classroom on the course of web to improve student digital literacy has been success. There are two category essence, namely is term of media and element of digital literacy after using e-learning. From the media category, LMS Jamilo e-learning has very good quality with an average of 99% of all three aspects, while the digital literacy element has good quality with an average of 90% of all three aspects. With this quality, e-learning for flipped classroom based on LMS Jamilo is appropriate as a learning media for the course of web and can be improved digital literacy for physics students. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.